Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the mystery reveal for April. This kit has already shipped. It is no longer available. If you want to get your hands on it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group on Facebook for when people start receiving them. But I am super excited. This is probably one of my favorite kits of the year. I just think it's super cute. It's a theme that I've always wanted to do. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the kit. It is an Edwardian tea theme, and it's really pretty for like a spring summer transition, summertime, anytime kit. And I just think like once you look at all the details, like it's so pretty, but I just think it's just so sweet and spring summer vibes. I've never done a tea theme, I don't think. And I just think that like the scene is just so serene. And I love this puppy. He looks like he's like guarding his treats and has his little purse in front of him. And I am just obsessed with everything about this kit, the colors and just the vibes. And I cannot wait to use it. And I feel like there's so many foil possibilities as far as like what you can use with this kit. I'm obsessed. There is also a sub theme. So from this, you're reading very like tea party, but there's also boxes that you can make it a kind of like a different vibe. So let's go ahead and go into that. So you get your second page here, which the secondary theme is kind of like Disney princesses. So you have Rapunzel here, and then you have Belle, which don't totally look very princessy. Also, there is kind of like Disney symbols in the tea that you can't really see until you really start looking at it, which I just thought was really fun to kind of like have hidden Disney in the kit. The colors are so pretty. Like look at these all together. I love this purple and like the orange next to each other. You have the deco page, the glitter headers, the half boxes and icons, the solid labels, the pattern labels with just a really pretty like floral overlay, the bottom washi and the date covers, and then the ultimate, you have your extras here. So here is Ariel and Tiana. This page comes with both the ultimate and the mini, so I'll show you guys that then. The extra color, which I loved that blue. I think it's super pretty with all of the rest of the colors. And then the second sheet here has the 15mm strip, and then the extra like boxes, 2 extra of the flat lay here in the different skin tone, and they also do have like different colored fans on them as well, and then another fashion option here. So that is the ultimate kit. Oh, the ultimate kit also comes with this sheet here, which we did release with Batu Bound, and I did want to just do like a little extra freebie in the ultimate this month, so it does match the colors, and I just think it's super cute. And then there is also foil with the ultimate, so this is the hollow twinkle format, which is super pretty, and I thought especially with the whimsical bow that it worked really well with this kit. So you have the full boxes and the headers, the bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, and then the bottom washi, fancy headers, deco, and then the date numbers. So really excited about this month's kit. I think it's super cute, just like a general tea kit, but also has those extra boxes that you can pull in if you want to make it more of kind of like a Disney vibe, which is super cute, but it's still even just kind of generally looks really pretty. So I love it, and I hope that you guys love it too. I was really excited about it. So that is the ultimate kit. We'll go over the mini kit real quick. This is definitely the more affordable option, and I wanted to make sure that this also kind of like had the Disney vibes if you got this, but also still kept the general like tea party kind of going on. So you have the full boxes here, the deco page, the glitter headers, the mini kit page, the bottom washi, and then the extra page here with the 2 extra fashion options, and then the extra labels in that extra color. And then this one has the matte freebie in the hollow. So that is everything for this month. I hope that you guys love it. I have some really, really fun themes planned. I've actually also, last month I went on a really crazy like week of designing like a bunch of different new foil bundles. So you guys will be seeing a lot of those in the mystery and in a lot of fun foil colors. We're kind of straying a little outside the core this year, which I'm really excited about. And a lot of you guys have been requesting. So I'm definitely going to be making that happen for you guys. And I'm very excited for the combos that are coming and the kits. Like I think we have 3 or 4 ready to go that are like all fully cut and everything. And they're just beautiful. So awesome. I'm so excited. I'm just like really excited for you guys to see this and see your reaction. So hope you guys love it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.